Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this instant mushroom tea. I'm using lion's mane mushroom for this example, which contains various beneficial beta-glucans and polysaccharides. These are some lion's mane that I grew last year and then freeze-dried, and then just now shredded them up and did an ethanol extraction recently, and this is the leftover spent material from the ethanol extract. And here I am just adding it to a crock pot and then filling it up with water to cover it completely. And then I let it simmer for 8 hours covered on the low heat setting. After it has simmered for 8 hours, I turn it off and let it cool down, and then I filter it through a mesh bag or a cheesecloth a few times to separate the tea from the spent mushroom material. After I remove most of the solids, I return the liquid to the crock pot and let it simmer uncovered for a few hours until it has reduced by half. Now all that's left is to freeze dry the concentrated tea in a freeze dryer, and it takes about 2 days to completely dry the tea into a powder. Then I just scrape it up into a jar and it's ready to use right away, or it can be stored in the refrigerator for a long time. You can add desiccant packs to the jar to be sure there's no moisture left over that would spoil it. The powder is super attracted to water, so it's best to scrape the extract in a room with a running dehumidifier. And that's all there is to it. You can add this stuff to some water to make a concentrated instant tea, or any drink, or any food. I've even heard someone put it in their oatmeal. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you make your own instant mushroom tea.